Hi, Get the Gloss. I'm Julia Wilde. I'm German and I'm an entrepreneur and expert in the European CBD industry. As you might know, the skin is the largest organ that we have in our body. And the skin barrier is the outermost layer of our skin. And it protects it against bacteria, irritants, pollutants trying to enter the skin. And it also keeps hydration within the skin, making the skin look healthy and plumped. Now, in turn, I'm sure you can already guess what happens if you have an impaired skin barrier. Now, the skin barrier is broken at some parts, meaning that bacteria and irritants can enter the skin, which leads to irritation, it can lead to breakout, it can lead to flakiness. At the same time, the skin is losing hydration. And by that, the skin is becoming dull looking, the wrinkles are coming out more, and you will look less healthy. Now, as you can tell, it's very important to have a healthy skin barrier. Now, what can you do if you already have an impaired skin barrier or if you're trying to protect it? It's very important that you are careful with your skincare routine. So first of all, don't over exfoliate your skin. So if you have the feeling that you want to exfoliate, please don't use mechanical peelings, don't use peelings on an everyday basis, but rather a few times a week, choose a very gentle exfoliant product. Secondly, you must be careful with always using a moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, always moisturize your skin in the morning and in the evening. And on top of that, use an SPF. If you're going outside or not, if it's cloudy, raining, it doesn't matter. Your skin needs protection against UV light. Thirdly, be careful with the skincare products that you choose and don't overdo active ingredients such as retinol. You don't need to use retinol in the morning and evening, so not using retinol plenty of times a day is very important in order to keep your skin barrier intact, for instance. Now, when you're looking for products that can be used on sensitive skin and strengthen the skin barrier, you can choose skincare products that are already made for sensitive skin. And usually you can see that on the pack of a product. It usually says that there. Now, there are particular skincare ingredients that you can look for that can help to strengthen the skin barrier. One of them, as mentioned earlier, is obviously CBD because of its very calming and protecting effects. On the other hand, probiotics are also perfect to use for repairing and strengthening the skin barrier because probiotics strengthen the skin microbiome and thereby repairing and strengthening the skin barrier. Thirdly, you can look for products that have a lot of hyaluronic acid or squalane in that. And we at J-Tanicals have a large range of CBD skincare products. One of our hero products is definitely our probiotic safeguard. Next to 1% CBD, it also has a probiotic technology containing also hyaluronic acid and squalane. This is really perfect for protecting your skin barrier. Now, we shouldn't forget how important our diet is also for a healthy looking skin. So overeating processed food will impair your skin barrier as well. So choose a diet that is very rich in fibers, in vegetables and in vitamins, and drink lots of water. At the same time, you must watch out for your stress level because excessive stress also has a negative effect on your skin barrier. So try to find a balance in your life, for instance, through physical exercise such as yoga or working out. Meditation is also perfect for finding a few minutes of relaxation in your very busy and stressful life. Then a lack of sleep is also obviously terrible for us. We all know waking up in the morning with dark circles under our eyes is the perfect example of I'm not getting enough sleep and my skin is not looking good. So always try to find 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. And if you follow that, usually these are very easy things you can integrate into your everyday life. You will be happy with a healthy skin barrier and by that a very healthy and glowing skin.